And last, ano daw yung, let lang yun, ano daw yung intriga? Yung intriga ng mga GL
No, it's nothing. Wala lang.
It's a ring. It's just a ring. So wala. Ring lang.
Wala. Ano lang siya? Wala lang. Accessory lang.
Okay.
Doesn't mean
Walang may
anything.
nagbigay.
Wala po. I bought it.
I have a question for Julia and Inigo. But can I say this? Can I ask the same question? Kasi close na rin naman kayo. And although wala namang ligawang nangyari, what would make yung character ni Julia or ni Inigo a girlfriend or boyfriend material? Jul, what is it about Inigo na that would you'd say na parang give it a time na ready ako tapos ligawan ako? It's yung trait na yun ni Inigo ang the best.
Wow, that's hard. There's so
I
many
know.
things about it. Ang kilig ko naman.
Ganyan yan. Press con din. Kinikilig.
Somebody I can run to lang anytime.
Oh.
And yeah, I think that's important. Lalo na ako, diba? Siyempre, kailangan ko ng outlet. Kailangan ko ng gano'n ng masasabihan. That's Inigo.
Julia, I think the best thing about her is that she's, like, sa kanilang dalawa, I think important talaga yung nakikinig. Someone you can talk to about anything, and someone that you trust with a lot of stuff in your life. And since we somewhat come from the same background and we are going through the same thing, I think Julia's like, she's the best person to come to when I have any problems, anything that I'm going through. And since hindi siya natutulog, I can just call her anytime. Seriously, natutulog siya pero tawagan mo siya, she answers the phone. Seriously, parang hindi siya, I don't know what time.
Baka nag-iisipan kayo sa isa't isa. Wow. You think about each other. Jul, you've worked with marami na rin, you've leading men, di ba? With Enrique, with Sam. How would you compare, with si Inigo with Enrique?
Dami, where do I start? It's important that you have a love team na komportable ka kasi. You know, you're able to act comfortably in front of them, hindi ka nako-conscious. Iba yung pag alam ng ka-love team mo yung pinagdadaanan mo. Diba? So with Inigo, he knows where I'm coming from, so it's easier for me to connect to him. And with Inigo, there's teamwork, Sir EJ. Napag-uusapan namin yung mga bagay na kailangan namin gawin as a love team, which I was never able to do with Enrique. But I'm not saying anything, pero this one, may teamwork.
Okay. Please.
This is my second love team. With Julia.
The first was Sophia.
Si Julia, like what she said, there's really teamwork. And sinabi ko to before, so I don't know if I said it sa press con, yung love team mo, kailangan siya yung tao na you trust with a lot of stuff. Kasi you guys are gonna be together every day, and you guys are gonna go through a bunch of stuff, and sometimes separately, na parang may sariling problema. Dapat yung kasama mo palagi, yung masasabihan mo ng kahit ano. So trust is really important.
Kaya pala nag-work ang love team because you're comfortable within each other. And just so you know, in 2015, these two great love teams will be seen in separate teleseries din na sila ang bida. Siyempre, On the Wings of Love, and then And I Love You So naman si Inigo and Julia. Okay, we'll entertain one more question. Go ahead, please.
Miss Mars from Your Happy Camper. Hello, guys.
Happy what?
Your Happy Camper.
Okay, Happy Camper.
Ibang site naman today. Julnigo, I saw your IG post. Oh, kay Inigo pala. Dub Smash.
Oh my God.
That's so katawa. And you, para bang the generation of your father and kay Tita Claudine. Ano yung payo nila? Nagkaroon na ba sila ng advice sa inyo on how to tackle your upcoming roles or your current roles right now? Because they are considered as very, very good actors in the industry.
Actually, ka-FaceTime namin si Tita Clau before press con.
Yeah.
And she was telling us just enjoy the moment and really be patient and don't rush things. And parang she said it during your party as well. You don't have to rush things. you don't have to force things, basically. And my dad as well, he just tells me to be in the moment, enjoy everything that's happening, and be patient.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Julie.
Payo.
Advice of Mama Pretty.
Mami Pretty.
Her advice.
Marami ba?
Okay, the thing is kasi from my two titas and my mom, you know, of course gusto ko tumakbo for advice, diba? Pero with our family, we trust each other that we know how to handle things. Pero they make you feel like they're just there for anything. But different with Mama Pretty, alagang-alaga, she'll take care of your, she'll let you know what you deserve. During when we were, nagkaroon na kami ng FaceTime before the press con, she was reminding us of the things that we deserve. So, she's a reminder of that.
Oh, sweet.
How sweet.
Oh.
Okay, thank you. Kay Judine.